that is spotting the error. Yesterday, we got very good response. Most of the students have tried very best, and many students have given the correct answers. We have completed up to 35 exercises, and now we have to start from then on. So let's go to the exercise page, please. Yes. Exercise number 35 that we completed yesterday was both the civilians and army men joined the First World War. Now here, part A, B, C, and D, both the civilians and the army men. So the article should be there between and army men. So part B was an error part. तो चलो बच्चों, आज का एक्सरसाइज देखते हैं. वो है 36. कम ऑन. 36. पढ़ लो. कम ऑन. Prince Charles is the heir to the throne of the Great Britain. No error. Come on. Prince Charles is a heir to the throne of the Great Britain. No error. ये बहुत आसान है, आप अच्छी तरह से कोशिश कर पाएंगे. पार्थ का जवाब आया है. पार्थ हैज गिवन द आंसर. मुझे लगता है पार्थ, फिर एक बार तुम इसको रीड करो प्लीज. रीड द सेंटेंस केयरफुली एंड ईच पार्ट की तरफ जरा थोड़ा आपको सोचना पड़ेगा. इसमें आंसर बहुत बहुत आसान है. कम ऑन. शुभम गुड. काफी बच्चे आंसर के बहुत नजदीक आ चुके. शुभम गुड. साहिल, आपको जरा थोड़ा सोचना पड़ेगा बेटा. वेदांत गुड. साहिल वेरी गुड. यस, बराबर है आपकी बात. ये जो पार्ट ए में एयर है ना, उसका प्रोनाउंसिएशन यच भी हुआ तो भी उसका प्रोनाउंसिएशन था, इनिशियल लेटर का प्रोनाउंसिएशन ए हो रहा है. एयर ए, तो उसके पहले एयर नहीं, एन एयर होना चाहिए. एन, क्योंकि एच यहाँ अंडरस्टूड है, उसका प्रोनाउंसिएशन एयर है. अगर हेयर होता तो ठीक था, लेकिन ए है, ए यानी एयर. सो पार्ट ए में एयर के पहले means air should be preceded by an air. So part A is an error part. Very good. चलो नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस लेते हैं, स्टेटमेंट. अब जरा अच्छी कोशिश करो. रीड नेक्स्ट स्टेटमेंट, अच्छी तरह से रीड करो माय डियर फ्रेंड्स. डोंट मेक हेस्ट. थोड़ा जोर देना पड़ेगा. आई गो टू द बेड एट 8 एवरी नाइट. नो एरर. देखो, I go to the bed. I go to bed. Our regular action. I go to bed at 8 every night. No error. हाँ, बराबर है. इसमें A part is an error. They should not be there before bed. I go to bed. Next पढ़ लो अभी. सर अच्छी तरह से पढ़ लो. हाँ, yes. Shubham is right. Now look at here. Now our next exercise or MCQ लेते हैं. That is number 38. Read it carefully and think over. Read it carefully. स्टेटमेंट नंबर 38. जल्दबाजी मत करो, अच्छी तरह से अभी से आदत लगाओ प्लीज. मेक द हैबिट ऑफ डूइंग perfectly and correctly each and every exercise of this MCQs. 39. It is a worth watching documentary and you must not miss it. It is a worth watching documentary and you must not miss it. Oh yes. 38. Statement number 38. Statement number 38. Yes. Very good. Sahil, thank you. 38. Statement number 38. It being rainy day. Statement number 38. This statement is divided again into 4 parts. Part A, it being rainy day. B part, we decided not to go out but to stay at home and watch a movie. No error. Read each and every part of the statement carefully. Parth, Sahil, Swayam, सिद्धार्थ, वेरी गुड. क्या मिस्टेक हो सकती है इसमें? व्हाट काइंड ऑफ मिस्टेक विल बी देयर इन पार्ट ये देखिए, इट बीइंग अ रेनी डे, इट बीइंग अ रेनी डे, ए शुड बी देयर बिफोर रेनी, अ रेनी डे. स्टेटमेंट नंबर 38 पार्थ. स्टेटमेंट नंबर 38. वी आर ऑन स्टेटमेंट नंबर 38. वेरी गुड. अ रेनी डे, यस सिद्धार्थ बराबर है. A rainy day, yes. Article A should be there before rainy day. A rainy day. It being a rainy day, we decided not to go out but to stay at home. Then, come on. Statement number 39 पर चाहते हैं. चलो बच्चों, सभी साथ में चलो. Come on. कोई पीछे ना रह जाए. There should not be any student behind. All we people have to proceed in line. Good. Part of देखो statement number 39. It is a worth watching documentary. You must not miss it. No error. मैं आप सभी लोगों को एक रिक्वेस्ट करना चाहूंगा. I would like to request you all, my dear friends. बहुत बार हम जैसा सोचते वैसा लिखते हैं या फिर बात करते हैं, लेकिन इंग्लिश नेचुरली हैज इट्स ओन स्टाइल. तो वैसे तो इसमें कोई गलती नहीं दिखती है. देयर शुड नॉट बी एनी, एट फर्स्ट इट डजंट सीम टू बी एनी मिस्टेक, लेकिन है, एरर है. अब देखिए, अगर हम सीधी सीधी बात करेंगे तो गलती तो दिखती नहीं है. When we simply look at this statement, then we don't find any mistake. But look at carefully. If we have the habit of English language, if we have the habit of studying English language, then worth watching documentary नहीं, documentary worth watching ऐसा होना चाहिए. It should be documentary worth watching. It is a documentary worth watching. It is a documentary worth watching. बराबर है पार्थ. It is a documentary worth watching. So statement number B. It is a documentary. It is a documentary worth watching. B part is an error part. Very good. शुभम थोड़ा बेटा आपको ध्यान देना पड़ेगा. B part is an error part. Good. Next statement. Statement number 40 पर चलते हैं. Come on, चलो बच्चों. Statement number 40. 4040. He had to cut a sorry figure. He had to cut a sorry figure when he realized that he had no any money in his purse. When he had no money in his purse. No error. Come on. He had to cut a sorry figure. उसको सॉरी बोलना पड़ा in between. When he realized, जब उसको पता चला that he had no money in his purse. He had no any money. ऐसा नहीं होता, not any money हो सकता है, लेकिन no money तो फिर बीच में any नहीं आना चाहिए. He had not any money. He had not a single penny. So ये any की जरूरत नहीं है. There should not be any there. In between no and money. He had no money. He had no money. He had to cut a sorry figure when he realized that he had no any money in his purse. He had no money. He had no money should be there. Prajot, very good. Sahil, Mandar, good. All you people are good, please. He had no money. Any should be deleted. In part C, any should not be there. So part C is an error part. Part C is an error part. ये जो एक्सरसाइज होने के बाद एक बहुत बढ़िया छोटा टॉपिक अपना इंतजार कर रहा है. वन a little topic or short topic is waiting for us. When as soon as we complete this spotting the error, then we'll have to move to that topic. It is very important. Good. Mandar, Ayush, Shubham, good. C is an error part. Good. Now चलो बच्चों आगे बढ़ते हैं. अगला स्टेटमेंट पढ़ लो आप पढ़ लो. Statement number 41. She is better than any girl that studies in our institute. No error. देख लीजिए any other होना चाहिए यहाँ पे. She is better than any other girl. She is better than any other girl. She is better than any other girl. Good. Shreya, Sahil, Shubham, Ayush. Good. She is better than. She is better than part A, part B, any other girl that studies. So other should be there after any other girl that studies in our institute. Yes, B part is an error part. Ayush, B part is an error part. Any other girl. any other girl that studies. Good. So B part is an error part. Statement number 41 say she is better than any other girl that studies in our institute. No error. Good. Now नेक्स्ट स्टेटमेंट आप सभी लोग पढ़ लो इसको अच्छी तरह से. यू रीड इट एटलीस्ट ट्वाइस, 2 times. My notes are superior than yours, although I have prepared them in a hurry. My notes are superior than yours, although I have prepared them in a hurry. No error. देख लीजिए. My notes are superior to yours, although I have prepared them in a hurry. No error. Dear friends, क्या थोड़ा सा आपको ध्यान देना पड़ेगा. My notes are superior to yours. My notes are superior to yours. That means my notes are superior than your notes. My notes are superior to yours, or my notes are superior than your notes, although I have prepared them in a hurry. तो यहाँ पे पार्ट बी इज एन एरर पार्ट, लेकिन सिंपली हम अगर देखते हैं तो इसमें कोई गलती नजर नहीं आती है. एक्चुअली माई नोट्स आर सुपीरियर देन yours. That means my notes are superior to your notes or superior to yours, although I have prepared them in a hurry. No error. So instead of then we can use here too. My notes are superior to yours. That means my notes are superior than your notes. B part is an error part. Very good. Sahil. Yes. So instead of then we can use two also. My notes are superior to yours. My notes are superior to yours. That means my notes are superior than your notes. B part. Next. Statement number. हाँ yes. Obviously ये तो करेक्ट दिखता है, लेकिन instead of then two can be used. My notes are superior to yours, or my notes are superior than your notes. मंदार, yes, आपकी बात बिल्कुल दुरुस्त है. You are right. Next. यानी इसका जवाब नो एरर, डी पार्ट भी होना चाहिए. और सेकेंडली कभी कभी क्या क्या ऐसे जानबूझकर वो कंफ्यूजन में स्टेटमेंट डाल देते हैं. और इसमें क्या है कि इंग्लिश एक वास्ट लैंग्वेज सब्जेक्ट है. अकॉर्डिंग टू द प्लेसमेंट, अकॉर्डिंग टू द सिचुएशन, वर्ड्स उसके बैकग्राउंड के अनुसार चेंज होते रहते हैं. देयर मीनिंग कैन चेंज अकॉर्डिंग टू द बैकड्रॉप और द बैकग्राउंड. एंड लैंग्वेज एक ऐसा पार्ट होता है कि टाइम टू टाइम वो डेवलप होती रहती है. सो एक्चुअली डी शुड बी देयर, लेकिन उन्होंने ये देखा है कि भाई यहाँ इंस्टेड ऑफ देन वी कैन यूज टू, तो फिर बी पार्ट को रॉन्ग दिया है. यस, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. नेक्स्ट. Statement number 43. 43. There is no name more glorious than Sardar Patel in the history of India. Statement number 43 की तरफ बढ़ते हैं. इस स्टेटमेंट को अच्छी तरह से पढ़ लीजिए. And when you read the statement, then again you have to concentrate on each part of the statement, part A, B, C, and D, and think over. there is no name, any other, no other. There is no name more glorious than Sardar Patel. So there is no other name more glorious. There is no other name. There is no other name more glorious than Sardar Patel in the history of India. We just have to pay attention to the statement. We must not make any argument or don't waste our time. So just what is the statement? There is no name. There is no other name more glorious than Sardar Patel in the history of India. So part A is an error part. साहिल आपकी बात दुरुस्त है. मंदार बराबर है. Good. A is an error part. Very good. A is an error part. Good. Hmm. अगला स्टेटमेंट पढ़ लीजिए प्लीज. Come on to the move on to the next statement. That is statement number 44. Statement number 44. Guys, let me take this page little up. Statement number 44. Yes. Statement number 44. What is the statement? The flood situation this year is worse than that prevailed in the last year. बहुत आसान स्टेटमेंट है. साहिल गुड. वेदांत बढ़िया. साहिल, मंदार, ये वेरी सिंपल स्टेटमेंट है क्योंकि यहाँ पे आप देखेंगे द फ्लड सिचुएशन दिस ईयर इज वर्स्ट. ये जो है ये सुपरलेटिव डिग्री फॉर्म है और उसके बाद में ध्यान नहीं आता या ध्यान के पहले सुपरलेटिव डिग्री फॉर्म नहीं आता, कंपैरेटिव डिग्री फॉर्म आता है. वर्स देन, वर्स देन. यस, द फ्लड सिचुएशन दिस ईयर इज वर्स, यानी बैड, वर्स और वर्स्ट ऐसा. द फ्लड सिचुएशन दिस ईयर इज worse, WRAC, worse than that prevailed in the last year. Means comparing to last year, this year's situation is very bad. Comparing to last year, worse. Statement number 44. So, replace worst by worse. WORSE, worse. Parth, Ayush, Aditya, Vedant, Swayam, good. Very good. Doing very well. You are doing very well. I appreciate you. देखा ना आपने जो स्टडी किया वो आपका अभी साथ दे रही है. गुड. जय, नाइस. मेरे पास काफी सही आंसर आए सभी लोगों के. गुड. साहिल, गुड. तो यहाँ पे क्या चेंज है होना चाहिए आपको समझ में आया. व्हाट शुड बी द चेंज ओवर देयर. सो इंस्टेड ऑफ वर्स दैट शुड बी वर्स. WORSE, वर्स. गुड. कम ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट स्टेटमेंट. Come on to the next statement, my dear friends. Statement number 45. Now look at the statement number 45. Statement number 45. Read it carefully. I don't think 5,000 rupees are a large sum for the work you are going to undertake. No error. Look at, read and think before you click the part. 45 statement. We have 10 minutes. We have 10 more minutes in our hand. इसके बाद हम एक बढ़िया टॉपिक शुरू करने जा रहे हैं. वो छोटा है, it is a small topic, but it is very important as far as our study is concerned. I don't think 5,000 rupees are a large sum for the work you are going to undertake. No error. क्या प्रॉब्लम हो सकता है बच्चों, आप सोच लीजिए. आई डोंट थिंक 5,000 रुपीज आर अ लार्ज सम. हाँ, ये जो है 5,000 रुपीज, ये एक होल अमाउंट पकड़ लिया है. इट इज कंसिडर्ड एज वन यूनिट. 5,000 rupees is considered one unit, so it has become one unit. So it is not in plural. It seems to be plural, but it is not plural because it is considered as one unit. So instead of are, there should be is. Yes, park, singular. Very good. Sahil, Jay, Swayam. Good, good, good. Very good. So 5,000 rupees, though it seems to be plural, but it is not plural. It is singular, but because it is considered as one unit. So are should be replaced by is. Are should be replaced by is. Yes. Instead of are, there should be is. Let me read the correct statement right now. I don't think 5,000 rupees is a large sum for the work you are going to undertake. B is an error part. Sahil, Ayush, Mandar, then Rushabnath, Aditya, Aditya. B part is an error part. Siddharth, 5,000 rupees. 5,000 rupees. ये जो 5,000 rupees है सिद्धार्थ, वो रुपीज है. 5,000 रुपीज है, रुपी नहीं है. लेकिन 5,000 रुपी लिखने के बाद भी इट इज कंसिडर्ड वन यूनिट. सो आगे जो आएगा वो इज है. गुड गुड सिद्धार्थ, वेरी गुड. नेक्स्ट स्टेटमेंट नंबर 46 की तरफ देख लीजिए. आप जरा उसके ऊपर ध्यान दो और अच्छी तरह से पढ़ लो एंड थिंक ओवर. 20 officers have been dismissed and 30 left on their own. What might be the problem? Which may be the error part, or which one is the correct part? Come on. थोड़ा सा ध्यान देना पड़ेगा बच्चों, वापस जरा. नहीं, हैज बीन नहीं आएगा. 20 ऑफिसर्स, इनको यूनिट नहीं पकड़ा. सब्जेक्ट है वो प्लूरल पकड़ लिया उन्होंने. दे हैव टेकन दिस 20 ऑफिसर्स नॉट एज वन यूनिट. You are close to the answers. बरोबर है. Yes. आयुष, साहिल, मंदार, साहिल, अथर्वा, ऋषभनाथ. वेरी गुड. देन साहिल, ऋषभनाथ. बराबर है. माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, 20 ऑफिसर्स हैव बीन डिसमिस्ड. यहाँ प्रेजेंट है, यानी ये जो क्रिया है एट द सेम टाइम हुई है. बोथ एक्शंस हैव हैपेंड एट द सेम टाइम. जो इसमें जो है तो 20 ऑफिसर्स हैव बीन डिसमिस्ड, जो कुछ बिल्कुल ऑफिसर्स है, दे में बी 50 ऑफिसर्स, सो 20 ऑफिसर्स हैव बीन डिसमिस्ड, तो फिर ऑटोमेटिकली 30 have left. 30 officers have left. 30 have left. 30 have left. Have should be there in between 30 and left. 30 and left. So Mandar, very good. 30 have left. No, no. Had नहीं होना चाहिए. Have 30 have left. क्योंकि एक्शन इसमें 1 है, 20 ऑफिसर्स हैव डिसमिस्ड, तो ऑटोमेटिकली 30 हैव लेफ्ट. उनको अलग से लेफ्ट नहीं किया गया. When out of 50 officers, when 20 officers have been dismissed, automatically 30 have left. Good. B part is an error part. Next statement, that is statement number 47. Don't get that much confused. Please try to correct ourselves. Now next 47, statement number 47. Read yourself. I would like you to complete this assignment before you will leave for Mumbai. So I would like past here, past. Instead of will, there should be would. There should be would. I would like you to complete this assignment before you would leave for Mumbai. Would should be there. So part C. Part C. Very good. Mandar, Shreyas, Ayush. Good. C is an error part. I would like you to complete this assignment before you will leave for Mumbai. So instead of will, there should be would. Siddharth, you are right. Sahil. Good. Mandar. Good. Now, next statement. The statement number 48. Statement number 48. Statement number 48. Pehle, you read the statement first and then try to answer it correctly. The rest of the students is still working, no error. Very simple. The rest of the students is still working, no error. Sahil, Avishkar, Ayush, Sahil. Almost all you people are correct. Almost all you people are correct. Instead of is, there should be are, because the students, plural form. Sahil, Siddharth, Sahil, Mandar. Instead of is, there should be are. Very good. Plural, yes. Right. Rushabnath, B. Very good. आपकी बात बिल्कुल दुरुस्त है और right. So in the statement number 48, part B is an error part because students plural है, इसलिए is instead of is there should be are. Yes. Good. Last 1 minute. Last 1 minute.